Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this box Zapper for reviewing purposes, so let's take it out of the box. And I think that it's gonna be really nice because you can use it indoors, outdoors, in your kitchen, in your living room, wherever you need it. I think that it's gonna be really nice. So let's take it out. Okay. We get the instruction manual, the main unit, and a little brush to clean off all kind of bugs that get stuck, which I think that it's really nice. This is the main unit. As you can see, it has a cage so you can be protected and once that you're connected, and we have a little tray where all the bugs are gonna be falling off and then we can clean with the brush. You can see it's really nice. It's just plug and play. You just have to plug in the power cord into the electrical outlet and it will turn on. Okay, as you can see. It uses UV light so the bugs get into the light and they will zap off, which I think that it's really nice. And I think that it's really nice because you can hang it with this handle right here. You can take it with you. You can place it wherever you need it. You can use it indoors. You can use it outdoors. You can use it wherever you need it. And I think that it's really nice. It's made of ABS plastic, so it feels of an amazing quality, which I think that it's really nice. And it's great to just have it around when you're gonna do some dinner party at your house at night, or if you are gonna do any outdoors event, you can have it outdoors and it will be working. Or anyway, if you want to use it indoors, you can leave it on and that's it, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, because it's really nice, it feels of an amazing quality and it's really simple to use. You just plug it and use it. I will really recommend it. See you guys.